Meaning of genre painting.
Genre painting.
Genre painting.
Genre painting.
Genre painting. Genre painting refers to a style of artistic expression that depicts ordinary, everyday life scenes. This type of painting often focuses on domestic scenes, urban settings, and other elements of daily life. The subjects of genre paintings are typically people and their activities, such as cooking, playing games, or working. The genre painting style became popular in the 17th century, particularly in the Dutch Golden Age. Genre painters sought to capture the realism of everyday life, often with detailed depictions of interiors, landscapes, and human emotion.